today's creative food. Today I am starting a series with Jayla. We're calling it Christmas Cupcakes with Kids. And we're going to show you some really fun cupcakes that you can make for the holidays with kids. So we're going to have a lot of fun, so let's get started. So today Jayla and I are going to make this adorable North Pole cupcake using a candy cane and writing on a little card, but you could write anything. We wrote North Pole, but let's get started and show you how easy this is. All right, I'm gonna take my icing. I'm gonna just dip it in here, swirl it in. All right, go ahead and sprinkle some of these sprinkles on. These are these great sprinkles I found at the grocery store. So it's just snowflakes and little green. I love it, it's so cute. Make sure you do it when the frosting is wet so that it sticks on. Perfect. Now we taped a little sign that said North Pole on it, but you could write anything. You could put Merry Christmas, you could put anything. I think everyone will know it means the North Pole. So go ahead and stick that in the center. And everyone loves candy canes. Go ahead all the way down. I think you can go all the way down. There we go. And then just so it looks like it snowed, we're going to take a little bit of snow on the top. And we are done. How cute was that? So simple.